Hey everyone! Tired of managing clients with tools that don't talk to each other? Guess what? The struggle ends today. You know how draining it can be to juggle random apps to stay on top of emails, client tasks, and workflows. But what if there was a magical solution that handles everything for you on autopilot? Say hello to Swipe One. Today, we'll dive into the Swipe One Lifetime Deal, a revolutionary tool that turns your chaos into control. Let's break it all down. What is Swipe One? Swipe One is an AI-powered CRM and marketing automation platform designed to help businesses streamline client management, automate workflows, and enhance email marketing. It combines tools for relationship management, lead nurturing, and campaign optimization into one intuitive platform. With features like spreadsheet-style contact manager, behavior-based workflow automation, AI agents for content creation. Swipe One simplifies complex tasks and boosts productivity. Lifetime access to Swipe One. Claim your deal today. Normally, this kind of functionality would cost a fortune, but AppSumo is offering Swipe One for a one-time payment starting at just $69. Yes, you read that right. No monthly fees, no hidden charges. Here's the breakdown of the Swipe One lifetime deal tiers so you can pick the one that fits your needs. License Tier 1. Price, $69, regular, $276. Offering 2,500 contacts, 25,000 marketing email sends per month, 250 AI credits per month, 1 team member, 1 workspace, 1 domain. Perfect for solopreneurs or small teams. License Tier 2, price, $179, regular, $948. Offering 7,500 contacts, 75,000 marketing email sends per month, 1,000 AI credits per month, 5 team members, 2 workspaces, 2 domains. License Tier 3, price, $349, regular, $1,608. Offering 15,000 contacts, 150,000 marketing email sends per month, 2,000 AI credits per month, 10 team members, 4 workspaces, 4 domains. License Tier 4, price, $599, regular, $2,388. Offering 30,000 contacts, 300,000 marketing email sends per month, 5,000 AI credits per month, 20 team members, 8 workspaces, 8 domains. With every tier, you'll get powerful features like workflow automation, AI agents, app integrations, Zapier, Shopify, Gmail, and much more. Swipe One comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk in trying it. 5 features that make Swipe One special. Client Relationship Manager, CRM. Easily view, organize, and filter your contacts with a spreadsheet-like interface. Track every interaction, from emails to purchases. Workflow Automation. Set up workflows to send follow-ups, nurture leads, or trigger actions based on customer behavior. Your clients will feel like you're always one step ahead. AI agents. Need help drafting emails or LinkedIn posts? Swipe One's AI agents can whip up personalized messages in seconds. Email marketing. Create, personalize, and schedule email campaigns for specific segments or your entire list. The built-in analytics help optimize your campaigns. Customization. Personalize your marketing like a pro with dynamic tags, pre-built templates, and segmentation options. Who benefits most from Swipe One? E-commerce owners, SaaS companies, small businesses, marketing agencies, freelancers, consultants and coaches, event planners. Grab an extra 10% off Swipe One lifetime deal. Want even better news? You can snag 10% off this deal. Here's how. Visit Swipe One's deal page on AppSumo. Look for the pop-up bar offering an extra discount. Enter your email, confirm the subscription, and boom, extra savings are yours. Real reviews on Swipe One. Are you still waiting? Don't miss out. Swipe One is your ticket to working smarter, not harder. From managing clients to automating tedious tasks, it's the tool you didn't know you needed. Check out the link in the description to grab the Swipe 1 lifetime deal today. Once it's gone, don't miss out. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and reviews. Let's make 2025 the year of smarter business solutions.